Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss or study about how to draw the 3D object using the different commands. So here we take the simple line command, and here snap is on. Okay, so we draw here the shape of this with the line command. This shape is on. Enter. So then we take the circle from here of a radius of suppose 5. Then again we take the radius as a 5. Again we take radius as a 5, and again we take same command and radius at the center is 5. Then suppose with the help of this cut command we select all these things and cut, enter, and cut all this part. So we get this shape. Then suppose we draw the lines here. Suppose from this point to this point, then enter, this point to this point, enter, this point to this point, enter, this point to this point, enter, and with the help of this command tan, so we take these 3 as a tangent of the circle. So we take first one and this third one. So in this way we can draw the circles using this 3 tan command. Then again this 3 tan command, again this 3 tan command, and suppose we erase this between part, create the center line. So then if we have to draw some shape here, suppose one small temple, in that case we again copy this one and place this at one side here, and then these circles we shift towards the Z axis using gizmo up to 5, enter. Then same way this one up to 5, enter. This is only using by the gizmo, that is a 5, and again this one also at the 5, and here we can delete these circles from these points here, and at the center we draw one small circle with the radius at this center, snap on center, or with the one radius, then snap off. And if we rotate this figure in such a fashion, or we take the view, we take the views isometric suppose, so we get this shape, or we take again it orbit. Then in using the press pull, we can press pull it. So using this press pull command, whenever we use the press pull command, there will some rules that object should be clearly indicate here, or it should be total covered in the screen. So first we cover or press pull this object. So this object is get selected here. So we press pull it. So suppose it is up to 5, enter. Then we press pull these circles. Okay, suppose these are the columns of any temple. Okay, or these are up to we called it as up to 15. So enter. Then same way we can press pull this object. So up to 15, enter. So again press pull. Here we select this and up to 15, enter. Then again press pull. So we select it and this will be press pull again 15. Then means total height of this all the objects is it is of the 5 plus 15, that is 20. So then we can shift this circle at y direction using this gizmo. Suppose it is up to 10, then we extrude this part using loft command. So before that we have to interconnect all this object using the region command. We can interlink region or join command. We can interlink all this object by region. So select objects. So we select all these object, then enter. So this part is get selected or region. Then using loft command, so we select the first object. This is first object, and this then second will be shift select this object, then enter, double enter, three time enter. So this will be the upper portion of the our temple. Then we have to shift this portion towards the upward side. So using the gizmo, so we can shift it up to the 20, enter, and then we can shift this again here. So we can shift and match on these columns. So in this way we can we have this different shapes. We can change the color using properties. Go in modify properties, and here we can change the this shade or the colors. So we choose this color here, then we select the lower part and we give the color. Suppose this is the green color. Okay, then this will be close. So this will be our temple or any shape we can create it here, and by using the view and orbit we can rotate this by in such a fashion. So with the help of the orbit we can rotate this shape anywhere. So here orbit, okay, and here suppose grid is off, then we can move this object in such a fashion. So with the continuous orbit we can revolve it, and if we look at here, these portions or these corners are not perfectly matched with this one. Okay, so in that case what we have to do, we have to here select the wire mesh command, and with this we can find the clear cut faults where we have to definitely attach this object. In that case, we can select this object and we can use this z axis command here, view z axis, and we can move this towards the z axis. Okay, and we can match all these things here. So then we can find here the conceptual views or the so in this way the exact location of that particular columns and roof is matched here. Then regarding the building component, most of time we have to draw some walls, doors, staircase, windows, all these things. In that case, how we draw all these objects? Suppose we have this suppose this is the wall, okay, and we know that with the help of this press pull command we can lift it, or we can increase the height. Suppose we want to cut the door from this wall. In that case, we again take this shape and using this press pull command we increase the height of this object. So up to here we shift increases height. Then select this object and move this object from this, move this object, enter from this point to up to this point. So this object is inserted in this wall. Then by using the subtract command, select the object from which we have to subtract. So this is the object from which we have to subtract. Then enter. Then select the solid surface region to subtract. So we have to subtract this region and then select it and enter. So in this way we get the wall. Same type we can draw the window also. Suppose we take the view of this one, so we get the view of this door. Then same way, suppose we want to draw, any staircase. In that case we go in the home and suppose we draw some rectangle shape from this point to this point, and suppose we take the rectangle of this snap on, then this one to this one, okay, and then suppose we copy all these objects from this point to this point. So from here to here, 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 here to here. So in this way we can draw this object, and suppose this is our landing. Suppose then with the help of press pull we can press pull this first object. Then suppose the height is of 1.5, then enter. Then second staircase, suppose press pull, so it is again height of 1.5, or we can take it up to the, or we make the different object, or we copy this object from this point and we copy from this point and shift over here. Then again we copy this point and shift over here. Again we copy this point and shift over here. Again we copy this one and shift over here. So in this way we can draw the maximum shapes using this command. Then we can draw the loft for this one. So we select the press pull command, and then we take object height as 1.5, and then we shift this object or move this object from this point to here to here. So this is our staircase. So this is staircase, and in this way we can draw number of objects using these commands. Thank you.